detectó mi perrito capo.
Oh.
Lizzie.
Nah, don't make me back. I'm not here to have the conversation. Oh. Get off my Diet Coke. Stop it.
Chucky.
Damn it, Chucky. So here, we're gonna bring the palms back and release. If you're in a
Shut my door now! Right fucking now!
He said I love you perfect.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh. Oh my god.
Bye. Bye.
Hey. I'm eating corn. No. I'm just gonna say, oh!
Oh, my tap.
I'm Mountain.
Oh my god.
Hey, Captain, you want to give me a hand with work today?
Gary!
Okay. Here, hold this. Thanks.
Bro, you're my friend now. Yes. Yeah.
Likes cottage cheese. Want somebody?
Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Misty. Uy. Es un chulo.
Ayú. Allá. Allá. Oh no. Oh no.
What's wrong? I can't keep petting you. I need to work. Andrew! I'll fuck you up! I know the fuck you live! Madonna, ecco lo sapete.
Three Minneapolis beaches.
How are you doing this? doing? This motherfucker. God damn it.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely the way you make. No, no, it's not that serious.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Oh, that's his head. Oh, okay, guys. Oh my god. Hey. No.
See if you like some peanut butter. Oh.
Coco, stop it.
To a special Lego Town event that's not open to.
You scratch mine. Hello, Phoenix. Are you giving her a haircut?
Oh.
Congratulations da 3.
Him. My cat is sitting just right. Oh my gosh, you can.
What? Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you, Boris?
Cutting onions and the cat is sitting there like crying.
What? I'm catching you like this.
Why? Why, mate? This is you lot getting off.
It does not smell that bad, bro. You're tripping.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Pippin, no! Stop it!
Have your tail? Can I have your neck? Ma'am.
Stand up and be a fucking man. Fuck that, Troy. I'm out.
Are you cleaning the house?
There's no way. There's no way.
Allez, file. Allez, pchit.
Baby, it's me. It's me.
Talk to me.
It's not open to...
Hi, Sam.
Soltame y te suelto. Soltame y te suelto. Soltame y te suelto. Uno.
Chase. Chase, wake up. Chase.
Ripley. Oh, you okay? Mwah. It's not that great.
Hey, show me where you found it.
No. No! No!
Are you getting any water or just licking the bowl, Mom? Yeah, this came from. Oh my.
Many white cats are born deaf. They've never heard their mother purr or their owners call their names. Even their own meow remains a mystery to them. And those who are born with hearing.
Give it. Give it.
Hey!
You fucker!
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
I want mommy, I want milk, I want to...
Oh, are you okay?
Bro, I can't even take a deuce in peas, bro.
You're gonna fall.
You're gonna fall. Stop, stop!
Oh, fuck.
Hey! Hi!
Oh my god.
Hey, no! Get off your sister! What is it?
Please, why do you want it? No, go away.
This. In ancient times, white cats were considered a symbol of wealth and good fortune. In England, people believed they brought money, and in Japan, that they protected against evil spirits. So if you
Oh my god. Which one of you guys did this?
Who got the flower?
Was it you? Or was it you?
Jody, what did you do?
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist? Oh my god.
Jackie, what did you do?
No, it's okay.
Piper, what did you do?
She knows.
You ate the cake, didn't you? You think if you sit real still, I won't notice?